National Human Trafficking Awareness Day, and there's a local foundation that makes it their mission year-round to help survivors of sexual exploitation achieve their full and true potential. Alicia Bush, the founder and CEO of Treasured Vessels Foundation, joining me live now. Alicia, glad to have you with us. Thanks for being here. Tell us more about the Treasured Vessels Foundation and more about the work that it does.
So we are a home here in the DFW area. We serve residents 18 to 24-year-olds that have been rescued from sex trafficking in North Texas. We provide everything from food, shelter, clothing, anything that you and I are able to have in our own homes. But what makes us unique is our program's approach to mental health. As they're applying for school, literacy classes, financial aid, anything that a student would need or someone looking for a job would need, we have a team of trained professionals in the home that's able to come alongside and really augment those processes for sustainable outcomes.
Wow, that's really amazing just how many services the foundation is able to provide. So, today it really is just to bring awareness to know the signs, but, what does human trafficking look like in the DFW area? What have you seen?
Well, when it comes to human trafficking, there's typically two that we talk about: labor trafficking and sex trafficking. We particularly focus on sex trafficking victims in the local DFW area. And it honestly doesn't look like the films that we see. Abductions are rare in the United States. It's a supply and demand issue. It's men and women and boys and girls that are being bought and sold and raped 10 to 15 times a day by our own citizens that were born and raised right here. One of our residents, she met her trafficker on the Bible app. And then just recently, we all had an Amber Alert that a 14-year-old had been trafficked. She had actually met a recruiter that was 13 years old in a behavioral health hospital. So it looks very different than what we've seen on films.
And the foundation really just, there's a need for this foundation here in DFW. What kind of impact has TVF made?
So we started the foundation in 2016. We've brought awareness and education to churches and schools and legislators and law enforcement. We collaborate with other organizations in the area to really learn best practices. We've created an evidence-based outcomes approach to what we do that is very unique to any other program in the country. In the last 24 months of opening our safe house, we have been able to serve individuals for 2 years. And we actually have 30 applicants on the waiting list, and our home is full.
Oh, wow. All right. Alicia, we appreciate your time. And if you're interested in learning more about Treasured Vessels Foundation, you can look up their website. Alicia, thanks so much again.
Thanks so much for having me.